Rico the Wedding Singer here. I'm gonna teach you how to crack your neck. First come first, gonna lay on a yoga mat or a carpet floor right here with the yoga mat. So, cracking your neck, first you use a chin, place it to the left side, and then you land a punch like in boxing. It's a cross punch. So on a third count, use the momentum and then you punch yourself on the third count. Like so. 1, 2. And then on the other side, you go same thing. On the third count, you use your force. 2. Okay, and that's how you do it. Please, please, please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. Again, I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.